Hello everyone, today I am CHHUOY again, and I will take you how to add your screen mouse pointer in Android phones. So the first thing that you're gonna do, you need to download the files that called Mobizen mod, but you need to buy a full version here and then click on install. Now wait a moment, the file will be installed, and it's gonna I will take you to add it. Now click on open. Click on open, and here is the welcome screen here, and you need to stop if you want. And you tap on the logo here, and you can go to you can cross out or anything. Next, and you click allow all, and here is the setting that you will see. Now click on setting, and you need to allow display overlay here. And then take it back, and now you see the logo here. That means Mobizen version or Mobizen logo. Now you click on that and click on the window icon here. And click OK, and then you will see the setting with the gear icon on the top right hand, and here is the ear circle options, and now I'm gonna check it down, and you will see the ear circle option here, and you can change your Mobizen logos to your image, or you can click on pictures, and then click on the plus mark, and then choose a picture. And click go to find where is your picture located, and click on that, and here is your logo, and then click apply, and then it means all. Now you have done all with the thing here. Here is the logo is loading here along the screen, and it can be work fine for this video tutorial or anything that you want to record the screen. Thank you for my video tutorial.